just got the engine on, changed out the carburetor and the coil. Now, most of you know we've been following this channel. Literally like last August, my engine cut out, and I just haven't been able to fix it due to time, due to just energy, and a bunch of other things just came up. So it's been almost 5-6 months, and so rather than trying to continue diagnosing it, I just went ahead and replaced everything. New carb, new coil, new fuel pump. So things practically brand new. I did a service on it. So thing is brand new. So we're gonna get it fired up today and get it loaded on a trailer and head down to Houston. And that's when things started to go horribly wrong. The engine wouldn't stay running. I heard a quote recently and it seems appropriate. It says, "There's only one problem that doesn't have a solution, and that's death." The marina fortunately was able to help me get the boat out. It just hurt my pride a little.
In the cold kitchen light, we both look for a sign, and you say, "These are troubles of mine." Weary thoughts of breaking up, coming under your skin. Don't know if we should stop or begin. 'Cause I was there by your side, with my eyes open wide, and I know that will always be true. There were no reasons why, guess all beauty must die. We try hard but we all so reckless, so reckless. It took time.
I really have no words right now for how humiliated, embarrassed, frustrated. Yeah. I get it that it happens, but frustrating, embarrassing, humiliating. And it's been a day, but it's almost over. Well, the boat's almost out of the water, I should say. What a day, what a fiasco. Man, I just gotta get my bearings. It's 4:30, and who cares really what time it is, because the boat is on the trailer. And it's on the trailer properly, and it's in a much better position than it was. Not the journey I expected, and a lot of things went wrong and a lot of things went right, but yeah, trailer or boat's behind me, so we'll start. Made it. Oh my goodness. The drive down was so smooth and everything worked perfect. It was an ordeal, and ordeals usually have great rewards, and yeah, so it's here, it's safe. We'll go get the storage unit tomorrow and park it kind of in its semi-permanent home, but I cannot believe I just drove 300 miles and unloaded this trailer, so here and safe.